Hey everyone, welcome to BroSmart, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 photography tips and tricks that you may not know in 2019. So let's get started. So I've seen a lot of people using their stock camera app to click photos. Honestly, there's nothing wrong with using stock camera app that you will get with your smartphone. So for example, the Zenfone Max Pro M2 uses a Snapdragon camera app, and honestly the Snapdragon camera app is not that good. So I have some apps that you should use. First one is the Open Camera app. Now the Open Camera app has some really good settings, like you can change the white balance, you can change the exposure, you can even change the frame rate and whatnot. Open Camera app is fully manual and you will get a lot of options with the Open Camera app. The second app that I want to recommend is the Google Camera app. Now a lot of people heard about the Google Camera app, and honestly it is the best camera app that you can have. And most of the people use the Gcam. The photos taken by the Google Camera app are really that good, are really awesome. The image quality, the color profiles, and the photos contains a lot of detail. Now I don't know why the Google Camera app is not available on Play Store. I think Google should add it. I will leave a link in the description below. From there you can install the Google Camera app for your Android phone. Now the second biggest mistake people do, click a photo and then directly post the photo on Instagram or Facebook or whatever platform they are using. Again, you have to edit your photos, and a big mistake a lot of people make is that they use like Instagram has a lot of filters. Even editing apps like Photoshop and Snapseed has a lot of filters. So according to me, I feel that you shouldn't use those filters because they will destroy your photo. I mean, for the first time they look cool, but they are not that good. So you should edit your photo before posting on social media. You should use the Lightroom for color correction. I use the Adobe Lightroom mobile app to add the teal and orange photo filter. So here are 3 photo editors that you should use on your Android phone. One is Adobe Photoshop for editing your photos, 2 is Lightroom to color correct your photos, and 3 is Snapseed. A lot of people doesn't use the grids. I mean, you have seen a ton of photography tips videos, and mostly all of them recommend using the grid. Now it is very common. Now you will say you know this thing, but a lot of people don't use it. Now there is a rule which is rule of third. Now you have 2 lines. Now what you have to do, you have to stand either on this line or on this line. So for example, I am standing on the right. So what you can do is you can fill this place with like paintings and a tree or a light, whatever you want. You can fill this. So here is an example. Here is the plant, and in the background you can see the entire garden. Now in the photo the plant is in focus, but whoever is seeing the photo can see that this plant belongs to a garden, and in the background there is a garden. So yeah, you should use the grids and follow the rule of third to take awesome photos with a mobile camera. Fourth trick is that you should always clean your lens. Now we keep our phones like this. The camera module of the phone is always facing down. The surface of the camera module will get scratches. The photos will not come out really good because in the photo you will get scratches and it will not look good. So your phone is not a DSLR camera. You are not using the lens cap to protect the lens. So you have to use a clean cloth, or you can use, or if you are using a spectacle, you will get the cloth with a spectacle and you can easily rub the surface of the camera, and it will really help you a lot. The last but not the least, 5th trick is that you should use the manual mode. I can change everything like the exposure, contrast and everything in the manual mode. So you should use the manual mode of your camera app to take brilliant photos, and you can change anything. So if you're using the Google Camera app, you should use the manual mode, and if you are still using your mobile stock camera app, then switch to pro mode or manual mode from your auto mode. So yeah, now start taking brilliant photos and share your photos on Twitter and Instagram. Tag me on Instagram and Twitter at BroSmartYouTube. Here is my Twitter and Instagram handle. Tag me there and I will definitely like and comment on your photo. So these were the 5 mobile photography tips and tricks that you should use to take brilliant photos with your smartphone. So that was my video, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, then smash the like button and also subscribe to BroSmart for more interesting videos just like this one. So as always, thank you so much for watching. This is BroSmart, and I will see you guys in my next video. It is really hot in Kolkata.